Hi boys and girls, welcome to CCH English. Today we are going to talk about the very basic definite and indefinite articles. So what is definite and indefinite article? Well, first of all, the very basic concept is for a and an. They are the indefinite articles. So we use a or an before a singular countable noun. For example, add a teaspoon of oil in a frying pan. Okay, add a teaspoon of oil in a frying pan. Okay, teaspoon, you can count it. Frying pan, you can also count. Second one, I need an egg to make the dessert. I need an egg to make the dessert. Of course, you can count 1 egg, 2 eggs, 3 eggs, and so on. So, this is countable, singular. We also use a or an when we first talk about a person, an object, or a place that we have not mentioned before. Okay, we have not mentioned before. It's the first time we talk about it, so we use a or an. For example, today Jenny and I went to a new Hong Kong style cafe after school. Okay, a cafe. It's the first time we talk about it. Elizabeth made an egg tart in her cookery lesson. Okay, make an egg tart in her cookery lesson. Remember that we use a before nouns that start with a consonant or a consonant sound. We'll use an before nouns that start with a vowel or a vowel sound. For example, a menu, a pineapple bun, but an ice cream, an egg tart. So we use an before a word that begins with a silent H. For example, an hour. An hour, because the H is not pronounced. Okay, so it's a vowel sound. Alright, the, on the other hand, is a definite article, so we use the to talk about a specific thing or a specific person. For example, we say, I look on the internet for a recipe, or the chef at Aberdeen Cafe cooks really well. Okay, so we're talking about the specific thing. That chef in Aberdeen Cafe is not one chef, any chef, okay, but that chef in Aberdeen Cafe cooks very well. And also internet, that's only one internet, so the internet for the recipe. Of course, we use the to talk about someone or some person that we have already mentioned before. Okay, already talked about before. For example, we need sugar, milk, and eggs to make the cake. Now add the sugar and the milk to the eggs. Okay, because we have talked about sugar, milk, and egg before. So the second time we talk about it, we use the. Second one, Mom is baking a cake. Well, the cake smells great. Okay, because the cake refers to the cake that Mom is baking. Okay, and we can use the to talk about something that is the only one of its kind. For example, the sun is shining brightly. The sun is shining brightly. The moon goes around the earth. The moon goes around the earth. Okay, there's only one sun, one moon, and one earth. Okay, so we use the all the time. Okay, so that's almost the end of my presentation, and do try the exercise that we assigned to you. Okay, if you don't understand the PowerPoint or the video, please do spend some more time watching it again. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.